Professor Bhaskar, and good morning, dear all.
Good morning, Professor Walia Saab. Yeah, now I hope I am visible. Yeah.
Your face is still not lighted. You are sitting against the light.
Yeah, I'll just I'll do it. Just a minute.
Yeah, so you can. Rao Saab, can we have your view also, please?
Is it okay now?
Yeah, now it is okay. Rao Saab, we expect your view also so that we are going to start, dear participants, within short time, within a minute, within less than a minute rather. Yeah, so let us start. Rao Saab, I am still not able to see your video. If you are there, please switch it on.
Should I call Rashwa? I just called him.
Just call him. Yeah. He's there. He has joined, but he's not visible.
I'll just call him.
Just wait because he'll be speaking.
Yeah.
So participants, please bear with us for a minute. We know that time is precious.
Convey this, Devesh ji. He's saying he's unable, sir is unable to unmute or put on video. Are there any controls at your end, Devesh ji?
No, nothing. Just press
No,
into.
they are given open, sir.
Everything is open. Tell him, call him. Can he hear? Can he hear the sound?
Just to refuse us to go. Anyway, I'll try once again.
No, the mic button and video button that has to be on.
Both the buttons I'm trying to press them. You know, it is not.
No, but here we can see in this screen your mic is off.
Acha, just ask him. Is he joining with the name MS Rao only?
MS Rao only.
By which name he has joined?
MS Rao only.
Yeah, that too is part of panel list. He can do anything, everything, even he can remove us also.
Okay.
There is some error in his system.
Sir has come. Okay. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Yeah,
sir, unmute yourself, sir. Sir,
yeah,
please
now we are
unmute.
able to see. You need to unmute.
Hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes,
good morning,
sir.
Rao Saab. Now we'll leave this dais to the organizers. Please go ahead, please.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
A very good morning to everyone. I, Dr. Meghali Barua, on behalf of Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, welcome you all to this National Online Quiz Competition Program for observing Earth Day 2022, which is jointly organized by the Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and Geological Society of India, Bengaluru. Earth Day is celebrated annually on April 22nd to spread awareness about environmental protection and acknowledge the global climate crisis. With each passing year, the climate is getting worse, and it is our duty to help save and conserve our Mother Nature. As per Earth Day organization, the theme for Earth Day 2022 is Invest in Our Planet. The theme of this year focuses on acting in a bold way, innovating in a broad way, and implementing in an equitable manner. So without spending much time, now I will play the Saraswati Bandana to initiate the program.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतं शङ्करं प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा
Now I would like to request Professor Devesh Walia, Head Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, for delivering the welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this chance to welcome all the participants. Dear participants, this is a great day, so I welcome you all to be part of this great event, although we are organizing it for the first time. So probably many may not know, but it will be a regular event. So remember that don't miss out for this event, because we know that International Mother Earth Day, or the harmony with nature, which is the theme, is being organized by the United Nations, and United Nations approved the organization of Earth Day on April 22nd since 1970. We all know that this day is with the aim to spread awareness about issues which are impacting our life. And what happens that, like pollution, deforestation, and global warming, they are going to take up most of our time and our energy to fight with them. Unless we take due precaution, we take timely action, and we take step towards countering such events. We know that this Earth Day celebration is just to remind you our responsibility towards the Mother Earth. We know that there is no second planet where we may go or we can live. So we need to protect this Mother Earth. The important thing is that such an action, whatever action is we deem fit for the Mother Earth, they require unstoppable courage, because at times we get driven by the normal systems, by the conventional systems. So remember, mostly these systems are to take care of the various activities on the surface of the earth. So we need courage to preserve, protect, and take care of the health and of our families, our own health and our livelihood, by taking actions to protect and preserve the earth. So we must take time out from our busy schedule and invest so that we are able to protect the nature. So we need to act, not only act, we need to innovate various methods not only innovate various methods, but to implement various methods also, so that we are able to help protect the Mother Earth. There has been many of the actions of the human being which tries to prove that we, although if I take individual action like throwing garbage on the road, individually I may not be impacting that much, but if when we combine the impact of say 100 crore people throwing the similar garbage on the road, its impact may be innumerous. So that's why we need to take care and behave cautiously, so that we are able to not to disturb or not to destroy the present system, but to enjoy the present system. The time is very short. We have to act, we have to take actions, we have to implement, and not only take actions and implement, we need to innovate, and so that we are able to protect the Mother Earth in the best possible manner. So without taking much time, again, I would like to welcome the whole of the organizing team, along which is because this program is jointly organized by Geological Society of India, Bengaluru. You must know that it is the society which is catering to the needs of the earth sciences in Indian region, and it is of international standard. We have one of the organizer as Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University. You know that Northeastern Hill University, name Northeastern, indicates that it is in the northeastern part of the India, and hence it is at Shillong, which is in Meghalaya, and it is a very new department. It got established or has taken birth only in the year 2021. So you must expect that there is not many things to come up in the store, and you must enjoy, you must perish all such items as and when they are delivered to you. Dear participants, dear attendees, without you, your active support, any program cannot be organized. But just to tell you that there has been around 300 plus registrations. But what happens that this is a working day and we cannot control all other systems. So out of 300 participants, around 84 participants they have joined. So I'm very happy to see the number, but expect that with your suggestions, your feedbacks, we will just adjust the timing, we will adjust the program, and we'll see to it that it is more successful. It is able to cater to your needs by way of playing, by way of fun. You should be able to contribute for the Mother Earth, which is giving us air, water, and so many things, food and all. But there is our responsibility also to take care of them. This Mother Earth we have not created. It is being created by various factors, various forces, and earlier generation has just passed it on to us. So it is our responsibility also that we should just pass it on as we received in the more or less a similar manner to our future generation. So thank you for giving me chance to welcome you all, and again from core of my heart I welcome you all for this very, very important program on Earth Day. Thank you.
Now moving ahead, now I would like to request Dr. M.S. Rao, Vice President, Geological Society of India, Bengaluru, for delivering the inaugural address. Over to you, sir.
Dear friends, on behalf of the Geological Society of India, I have great pleasure in welcoming all of you to this Earth Day celebration of 2022 in collaboration with the Geology Department of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and the team of Professor Devesh Walia, his colleagues and students, and also our council member, Professor Bhaskar from IGNOU, New Delhi, have labored very hard to bring this occasion to fruition and to organize this at the day quiz today. I would like to just mention that our president, Dr. Harshika Gupta, would have been very happy to address all of you today, but he has been held up at a different place where he is participating in an Earth Day celebration organized by the Ministry of Earth Sciences at Bhatinda in Punjab. So he has been traveling and he is unable to join us on this happy occasion. I would like to mention that the theme of this year is Invest in Our Planet. So the background of the Earth Day, already Professor Walia has spoken a few words. I would like to mention two names of John McConnell and Senator Gaylord Nelson of Wisconsin, who were pioneered this movement for organizing an Earth Day. And it started in 1969-70, they were very active, and in 1970 it started. And I would like to also mention, for the benefit of the youngsters, a book by name Silent Spring, written by Rachel Carson in 1962, which was a sort of a pathbreaker for bringing the attention of the global population to the environmental disasters that were in the making. Just then, a couple of years before that, the Americans used Agent Orange in Vietnam to defoliate the forest there in pursuance of their aims of combating Viet Cong. So the ill effects of chemical pollution were very evident in Vietnam, and in many other places we have been seeing constantly the mankind's negligence of utilizing chemicals and other agents in spoiling our environment. The environmental pollution and survival of life on Earth become intertwined. And I would also like to mention that one Sri Abhay Kumar of Indian Foreign Service, a diplomat and a poet, has written an Earth Day anthem. And I would like all the youngsters to listen to that Earth Day anthem and utilize it on occasions like this and any occasion connected with environment, climate change, and preserving the integrity of the environment of our Mother Earth. I would like to thank the authorities of the university for providing all the facilities to conduct this quiz program at Shillong, and I would like to wish a grand success to this program, and it will gather strength from year to year. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words to you on this occasion.
Thank you, sir, for your admiring speech, and we are really grateful to you for the time and effort you took to share your thought with us. So now I would like to request Dr. Shikhar Kumar, Quiz Master, to explain the rules and the instructions of the quiz competition. Over to you, Dr. Shikhar Kumar.
Yes, hello, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Meghali. I will just give you a brief, short information about the quiz. The quiz link has already been shared with all of you through your email, but I will be sharing the quiz link again right now in this chat, as well as in the WhatsApp group which we have created for the quiz. So I'll share that link again. What you have to do is click on that link, and as soon as you click on that link, you will see that you will have to enter your name to be able to start the quiz. So please enter your full name. Please do not write only first part of your name, or even if you are not in the WhatsApp group, nothing to worry. I will share the quiz link here in this chat as well, so you can join the quiz with that link. Although I have sent the quiz link to all of the emails of the registered participants, but nothing to worry. You don't have to search through your email. I'll share the link with you right now. When asked to enter your name, you should enter your full name. Please don't write small nicknames, otherwise it will be very difficult to know who has answered what. Okay, so please write your full names when asked for your names. There will be 60 questions in the quiz, 15 questions per round, 4 rounds of questions. Each question is worth 10,000 points. Okay, 1,000 points. I'm sorry. Each question is worth 1,000 points, and if you answer wrongly, or if you don't answer in time, every question will have 20 seconds to answer. If you don't answer in time, you'll get 0 points. There is no negative marking. So you should attempt each question. the faster you answer, more points you'll get. If you give the correct answer quicker, you will get more points. And the system measures the time up to microseconds. So you should not try to look for the answer through internet or something, because that way you lose time and you will not get enough points. So you should answer as fast as possible. Other thing is, try to not minimize or switch the window after you have opened the quiz. Otherwise, it may have issues. If if the quiz fails to load for a particular question, you can refresh the page, and your results will not be lost. So you can refresh the page and it will resume the quiz from the next question. All right. And so, yeah. Other than that, I will just wish you all the best. Just attempt all the questions, and I will now give the stage to Professor Dev Shala sir to run the quiz.
Yeah. So before we start the quiz, dear participants, one important thing which Dr. Shikhar said, that the quiz is made in such a manner that it is standalone. You need not listen to what we are speaking like this here on the WhatsApp or on the YouTube or on the Zoom link. You need not listen to any of these things. Only thing is, you should enter through the link which is provided in the WhatsApp or which is provided here, and that link is of software called Mentimeter. All right. So just press and give. You will see that Mentimeter quiz has already started, and the first student, and like this many students, they are joining. Now as the students are joining, you know that in the first time it may take some first chance, it may take some time to join. So we will wait for all the students to join. Now till now only around 10 students have joined. Probably very soon many students will also be there, because there were around 90 students plus. And if anybody has not attended through the Zoom, and if he has already got the Mentimeter link, probably he can join and he can play. So there is no restriction for that, because he is allowed to play. So now you can see that I'm sharing this screen, and in this screen you can see various logos. Each logo belongs to a person. So the one who knows, he know that whether he is a tiger or he is a thinker or he is a crab or he is walking around. So remember, whether you are a Twitter, you are a bird or you are a bee, you are here. So there will be some time so that we give chance to all of you to blossom, to flower, to be good and to participate in this quiz. So this is going to be one of the very good mind-boggling quiz, and we are going to start something exceptional. Remember, if you peep in here and there may be a problem. So don't peep in, because time is a factor and the time is measured in microseconds. Normally in our watch we see only seconds, but here the time is monitored in microseconds. So you are looking here and there. Only use your mind to get the answers, get the right answer. Second important thing, as again Dr. Shikhar told you, that there is no negative marking. If your answer is wrong, there are 60 questions are there. The time to recover is there. So don't be in a hurry also, because if you are in a hurry, you may miss, or later on you may think, oh, this question was so easy, because you were in a hurried mode. That's why you couldn't respond to. But if don't be in a hurry. So we can see that now we have got around 73 participants. They have already joined. 76 have joined. So I want to see that no participant is lost. As again, talking of Dr. Shikhar, that there are some issues maybe there from your network. So don't get disheartened, because if the moment it is restored, where sufficient time is there, you will be again joining back the quiz. So don't switch off, don't do anything. don't do refresh, don't go back. Once Mentimeter is open, concentrate on that. If you are not listening to this voice while opening Mentimeter, because your network may become slow, you can leave the quiz from the Zoom link now, or from the YouTube link now, or from any other link, but remain there in the Mentimeter, because there only the quiz is being played. It is not played on the Zoom link. Zoom link is just to the viewers, those who are not participating, for them to give them the excitement of seeing that how different people they are playing. So we can see that till now, because till the number becomes stabilized, we have to wait for the people to join. Remember, this software is such that there is nothing is going to stop you. Only thing is, in the meantime, sit at a quiet place, in a peaceful place. Don't get disturbed, disheartened if your answer is wrong. Keep on answering, because in life, slow and steady only wins the race. And in this race, you can see there is a bunny is also there. There is a rabbit is also there. There is so many other icons are there. So whatever icon you belong to, your habit of slow and steady winning the race should go on persisting. Now we have got 82 participants, and if anybody wants to join little later also, there is no problem, and he can join. Just wait 1 second. Just wait.
Enter.
Okay.
First question.
Oh, yeah. So, dear friends, first question is there. A group of rabbits is called a herd. A group of fish is called a school, army, standard, or bus. Good question, yeah. Just to tell you, participants, what I am speaking now is not being heard by the participants. So the time's up, and you see that out of 68 participants. So I would like to give message through this Zoom link that at least attempt, because out of total participants 82, only 68 participants they have responded. So now we are going to the second question. The second question is, select the option which is the logical equivalent of the following statement. If you are good in English, then you can write a poem. So what is the logical equivalent of the following statement? Again, just to tell you, what I am speaking is not heard by the students or by the participants, those who are playing. So if somebody through some method, if you just tell them to play, is of great importance. See, 80 participants, I'm very happy that they tried their answer, and out of that only 12 were right. If you cannot write a poem, then you are not good in English. That's what it is. Why it is not correct? Okay. Now we have come to question 3, and the question 3 is, Jofra Archer, the England fast bowler, is more faster, less fast than accurate. So 86 people, 89 people, they have responded. Excellent. And 89 don't get disheartened. 24 people have responded correctly. So we'll move on. This is the fourth question of 60. Fuse is to fusion as use is to 10 seconds remaining. And 89 people responded too. And you can see that slowly people are gearing up. More than 50% gave the right answer. So good. Keep it up. So the fifth question out of 60. Almost 100 people, they have joined. Oasis is to sand as island is to 6 seconds remaining. 92 students answered, and out of this 43 they are perfect. So you are able to get the feel of the questions. So that's what is the spirit of this quiz is. So total 97 students are there. Rajesh walks 7 kilometers to the north and then turns left and walks 3 kilometers. He takes another left and walks 7 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? Just think a bit. Yes, so out of 85 students responded, 32 were right. Students, feel the nerve, go slow, and then learn how to answer. That's what is the spirit. After running half kilometer on Wednesday, a runner had covered 75% of her planned route. How many miles did she plan to run that day? Miles. By chance, it is miles written, but it should be kilometers. So take care. 92 students responded, and 32 they are perfect. So don't worry. Go ahead. Keep on trying. These are mind-boggling questions, so that you are able to concentrate. What is the parameter of a regular hexagon? If the length of one side is equal to x, hexagon. Yeah, it is being answered by more than 95 participants, 97, 98 participants. Excellent. And 86 were right. So if the question is direct, you feel you like to answer, but at times you need to think also. 102 participants are there. Don't worry, there are so many questions are there. You get sufficient time. A patient needs to take a certain tablet for 7 days. If he has to take one tablet every 3 hours, how many tablets does he need? Simple calculation for 7 days. Yes, time is up. 92 students responded, and it was a simple calculation, and many of them they have responded correctly. So that's what the next number in the given series 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 is let's see whether it is 23 or what. 51 students, participants, they responded correctly. Very well done. So catching up now, dear friends, we have come to 10 questions. So the time for the leaderboard is there. Leaderboard calculates how much time you took, how many answers you gave correctly. And Hansraj Sharma ji, congratulations. Somebody has chosen his name to be Owl. I don't know, but he is existing as number 2. But how come Owl can be number 2? But welcome. Then we have got Rakshita, Khushi, Sonovar. So don't, participants, don't get disheartened. See that how the leaderboard is going to change by yourself and feel the nerve. So the 11th question. An accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? See, 96 people responded and 49 responded correctly. Excellent. That's what is expected. Today is Friday. After 61 days, it will be 98 people responded and 42 of them, they are correct that it will be Wednesday. Excellent. Very well done. Any of the participant from the Zoom link, if he or she wants, he can play along. If you want, you can play along also. You're going through Mentimeter, you are most welcome. Select the odd word from the given alternatives. Which one is the odd? You need to know. And out of total participants, 102 participants responded, and most of them, they responded not correctly. So that's what you need to understand, the table game and the field game. We have come to the 14th question. Select the odd word from the given alternatives. Tortoise, goat, centaur, tiger. So out of 101 participants, 43 responded correctly. So we have come to an end of the first round, and the first round was 15th question is, this is the last question. So that's what, participants, be ready to respond to. General knowledge round, last question. Yeah, excellent. 53 participants. So the number is growing. So now we have come to the general aptitude and mathematical ability section, round 1. Let us see how are the scores and what all people are leading. So you can see that the people have changed, and Hansraj Sharma is still the fastest. Pragati Pandey is coping up. Nishan, Owl, Sanovar, so many people they are coming up. So excellent. This is too good. But remember, there may be some dummy participants also. So your name may not be there on the top, but your name may exist in the final list of the awardees. Now comes the next round, that is the general knowledge round. So let us play the round 2, general knowledge. Here again 15 questions are there. So if you like, you can pass on the heart. Let us start now. Interpol headquarters are located in which country? See, 38 people, they knew that it is France. Very well done. Who is the current governor of Reserve Bank of India? Hundred four, 105 people responded and 65 people knew the answer. Excellent. Your general knowledge is quite good. You need to build up not only the mathematical ability, but the general knowledge also. How many states in India have legislative council? Vidhan Parishad, you must know. 10 seconds remaining. All right, so 46 participants, they responded correctly out of 107. But keep participating because you know that the next round, other 2 rounds, they are on the earth. Which industry in India is the largest consumer of water? Largest consumer of water, take care. So 106 students, they participated and 52, they knew the right answer, that the thermal power. So we have come to question number 20. Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Hundred seven participants, they responded and 68 of them, they knew it correctly, that it is Tamil Nadu. Khasi, Garo and Jaintia hills are located in which Indian state? So we have 107, 111 participants responding. And it is Meghalaya, very correct. You all, your general knowledge is really good. The National Disaster Management Authority comes under which ministry? and 110 people responded, and the 49 people gave the right answer. Ministry of Home Affairs. Excellent. You must know that the disaster management is part of Ministry of Home Affairs. India became a member of UN in which year? United Nations. (106) people responded, and 45 they knew that in 1945, the day we became independent, we became member of the United Nations. Lakshadweep is a group of how many islands? (110) people again responded, and 41 they were correct that it is a group of 36 islands. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Remember. Those who haven't yet joined can still join, because another 2 rounds they will be of importance. And 90 of 110 knew it. It is Bengaluru. Great, very well done. Now we have come to the leaderboard. Let us see how the positions are going to change, or are they going to remain same? See, we have got Hans Raj Sharma leading from the beginning. Pragati Pandey is coming up. Sonovar Ayub is also coming up. Rakshita Rathore and Huda Anjum. Keep on doing good work. You are there. Although one of my favorite name is not there. So keep answering. Maintain your concentration. Which is the largest state in Northeast India? (109) participants responded and 82 were correct. Excellent. We know that Arunachal Pradesh has got the maximum highest area. What is the theme of Earth Day 2022? Excellent. 110 participants they responded, and 60 they were attentive during the inaugural session. So very well done. Only 2 more questions after this in the round of general knowledge. When was the first Earth Day observed? This was also discussed during the inaugural program. So out of 107, 110, let me see how many were attentive. So 70 were very attentive. Excellent. It is 1970 and 970 participants gave the right answer. So the last but one question of the round 2, general knowledge. Which was the first Indian telecom company to provide 4G services in India? It is provide. (108) responded and 48 they are correct. Airtel was the first company. And the last question of round 2, which is the other country that celebrates Independence Day on 15th August? This was a tricky question. Let me see how many of them they responded correctly. Only 24. Remember, Pakistan's Independence Day is considered to be 14th August, not 15th. So remember, this is very, very important for all of you to know that South Korea and India shares the same day as an Independence Day. Now let us see the leaderboard and how are the situations changing. Oh, Hansraj Sharma ji is still leading. Pragati Pandey, Huda, Rakshita, Nishant, Sonovar, keep it up. Don't lose. Now that the questions on our Earth, they are coming. So the next round, Earth, our home, is there. So be ready to respond to. Hopefully the time and the questions, they match your caliber, your liking. So that's what. Now we'll go to the first question of Earth, our home. And the question is, 31st question is, radiometric age is often referred to as which age? You need to think and respond to. The correct answer carries more value than the faster answer. 20 people responded correctly. Radiometric aging dating means the absolute age. Which of the following is used by geologists to determine the relative age in a rock sequence? Yes, 103 people responded and 59 responded correctly. We use all of these. Don't get confused. All of these things are of importance. Question number 33. The youngest part of the earth crust are where? Yes, 103 people responded and 47 they are correct. Mid-oceanic rifts or ridges. The crust of Mars is believed to be lighter or heavier or younger or stronger or thinner than the Earth. The crust of the Mars. (106) people responded and 29 they are right. So it is considered to be much more stronger. Graded bedding is developed due to a graded bedding. Remember, $900. Yes, only 24. Actually, graded bedding is due to the turbidity currents. So question number 36 of 60 questions. The process involved in the formation of an unconformity are read the question carefully. 102, 104 participants and 20 responded correctly. Deposition, upheaval, and erosion. That's what is the sequence. 37th question of 60. Which of the following clouds are likely to give rains? Yeah. $90, 100, 104 responded and 49 they are correct. It is cumulonimbus clouds which gives the rains. Folding occurs when rock behave as in which type of rocks? Six seconds remaining. Yeah, 61 students responded correctly. Ductile material. Crevasse splays are associated with crevasses. And 30 participants gave the right answer. Crevasses are there in the glaciers. Fortieth question of 60 questions. Remnants of oceanic crust is represented by what type of rocks? Yeah, 6 seconds remaining. And 198 participants participated. Ophiolite is the right answer. But students, you need to study a little bit more. We have come to the leaderboard. Let us see how was the some positions are going to change. But Hansraj Sharma is leading. Pragati Pandey, you are very close. Only difference of timing only. Nishant Sharma, you are also catching up. Ritam Banerjee, you have come up like the real crab. Go on maintaining. Sanovar, you are maintaining good place. We have come to the last 5 questions of Earth, our home. which is the coldest layer of the atmosphere? Which is the coldest layer of the atmosphere? "57 students, they knew it. Excellent. It is mesopause, or you may call it as a mesosphere, lower part also of it. The least abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere among the following. Least abundant, remember. Least abundant. Yeah, 94, 101 participants and 13 only they were right. So carbon dioxide is the least abundant rock, but it may be most disastrous. That is a different thing, but it is the least abundant out of these four gases. Which of the following material has the highest porosity? Remember, we are talking of porosity. Time's up now. 101 students and 55 knew it correctly. Excellent. Clay is the most porous material out of these. Mother, our home. Last but one question in that section. When continent collide, which tectonic feature is formed? Time's up now. And 100 students, they responded. And Himalayas is the right answer. That's what you are expected to know. Remember, Himalaya give us so many important things. Even our monsoon is maintained. So it is by the continent collision. Last question of the third round. Mother, our home. Earth, our home. A map is prepared on 1:50,000 scale. How many centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground? Yeah, so only 36 people could respond. Take care, be a little cautious. And we have come to this round. Let us see whether the position is going to change or not. I don't think it is going to change too much, but Pragati Pandey, you need to cope up. Khushi Sahu, you are doing very well. From down bottom, you have come up. 15 more questions are there to respond to. Remember, there may be in between, there may be some dummy participants may be there. The prize money will be given to only those who are the actual participants. So take care. Don't lose hope. Keep on working hard. The last round has come, the round 4. 15 questions will be there on this sustainable growth. वो ईमेल चेक कर लीजिए, उसके बाद बात करते हैं. Yeah, so now we'll we'll move on. And the last 15th question of today's quiz is: oxygen is essential for life on Earth. Which gas makes up nearly 80% of the Earth's atmosphere? Yes, your time is going to be up. And time's up now. 102 responded and 71 were correct. Excellent. Nitrogen is the gas which was not there in the early atmosphere. Which is the world's first fully solar powered international airport? Fully solar powered international airport. Yes, your time is up and your answer is right. In India, it is Cochin, which is fully solar powered international airport. Discussion on sustainable development was started after submitting a report on environment to the UN in 1987. That report is called Sustainable Development. And 103 participants participated. And our common future is the name of the report. 33 participants responded correctly. The approximate amount of sun's energy trapped by plants is, what is the amount of sun's energy which is trapped by plants to produce chlorophyll and all? Yes, your time's up. 103 participants responded and 42% were correct. It is 1 to 3% energy gets trapped. The 50th question from the beginning. Chemosynthetic bacteria found near submarine volcanic vents feed on the chemosynthetic bacteria. Your time is up now and 100 participants responded and 46 were correct. It feeds on hydrogen sulfide H2S. 51st question. Which of the following greenhouse gases is the largest single contributor to anthropogenic radiative forcing? Radiative forcing. This time your answer may be correct. 103 people responded and 47 responded correctly. It is the carbon dioxide, which is produced by the anthropogenic features. Now, 52nd question. The broad estimates of sea level rise due to global warming by 2100 is approximately how much sea is going to rise? Yes, your time's up. And 40 centimeters is the right answer. Remember, the risk is there. Risk is huge. 53rd question from the beginning. And it is: India has committed to reduce emissions intensity of its GDP from 2005 levels by 30-35%. By the year, by which year? By 1/3. And time's up. 57 students responded correctly. 2030 is the target. So all of us need to contribute. Time is short. Oceanic conveyor belt refers to oceanic conveyor belt. Yes, on time's up now. 102 participants they responded, and 31 they were right. Density driven ocean circulation is also known as the oceanic conveyor belt. 55th question of 60 questions. This process is functional in removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. What is the process which removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? +100 responded, and the answer of 81 people have responded correctly. The answer is photosynthesis. That's why we talk of plants. And now the Mentimeter leaderboard. Let us see what has happened. Hansraj Sharma is still leading from the beginning. Khushi Sahu has come up. Nishant Sharma, very well done. Pragati Pandey, excellent. Sanovar Ayub, he left, it seems. I don't know why. You have to build up. Still, 5 questions are there. You can come up. Huda Anjum, because Sanovar Ayub, 1 or 2 questions he didn't respond to. So that's why his name is in red. But you have got the potential up to Rakshita Rathore, Shruti Anand, Ritam Banerjee. Last 5 questions. Catch on your nerves. 5th question. Last 5th question. Which of the following is not a major greenhouse gas? Major greenhouse gas, remember. Yeah, your time's up now. And you know ozone. Ozone is in the troposphere, so that's why we don't consider it now. And it is already taken care of nicely. Economies of the following countries are responsible for greatest annual carbon dioxide emission. Which country is emitting maximum carbon dioxide? Yes, answer both US and China. Remember, they are emitting maximum. 58th question. Only 3 questions remaining. This is the last 3rd question. Ocean temperature increase more slowly than land temperature because of the larger effective what of ocean base of the oceans. Means the of the water basically. 98 responded. Heat capacity, you all must know. This is very important. Second last question of the quiz. Students, participants, gear up. Last 2 questions. Concentrate and respond correctly. The El Nino phenomena occurs in which ocean? El Nino. Yes, 60% Pacific Ocean is the right answer. So remember, El Nino phenomena occurs in the Pacific Ocean. The last question of today, the question number 60 of 60. So dear participants, we all had excellent time. So let's see how you respond to, how many of you respond this answer correctly. Remember, whatever percentage of marks you attain in this quiz, that will also be reflected in your certificate. So answer correctly. Without the Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's average temperature would be well below the temperature of the water. Or what do you think? Boiling, freezing, vaporization of water. Let's see, yeah, that it is below. So remember, below the freezing, it will remain. So 101 participants, they responded. Let us go to the leaderboard now. And leaderboard gives you almost the final result till we disqualify some person on the basis of their age or something. So as per the records, as per the results, Harsharat Sharma has led and his score is 38,382. So out of, you can just by seeing this, you can understand that he has responded to out of 60, around 38 questions correctly. So that's what. All right, so let us see. Now, within no time, we'll declare the result, we'll find it out. So dear participants, thanks for participating and we are back. Those participants, if you want, you can join back again. I see that around 76, 77 attendees are there. So participants, you may join back and the Zoom wherein we are going to have again another round. Now remember, just I was seeing the name and so our team will just go on working on it to find out. So in the meantime, let us start the program, and the program goes with the valedictory session. So I would like, on behalf of the organizing committee, would like to invite Professor R. Bhaskar from School of Social Sciences, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Dear friends, if you don't know him, nothing to worry, but check on the net about Professor R. Bhaskar. He is involved in many such activities and he is instrumental in organizing even this quiz also. So remember, the government of India is doing a lot of things to promote earth science and earth related issues, wherein Professor Bhaskar is one of the very important key person. So now I would like to request Professor Bhaskar to please deliver the valedictory address.
First of all, congratulations to everyone for participating, to organizers. And I am grateful to Professor Devesh Walia, who is a close friend of mine. And Nehu is very fortunate to have him as a faculty member. And he has been extremely active in geology. And I've known him since 25 years. And it is a pleasure for me, whenever possible, to work with Devesh Walia. In fact, this program was suggested by Professor Harsh Gupta, President, Geological Society of India, in a council meeting, where he suggested that I should work along with Professor Devesh Walia. Dr. Godavari also appreciated his work. I'm also grateful to Professor M.S. Rao, Vice President, Geological Society of India, who took out time and graced the occasion. Of course, I could see two young colleagues of NEHU. I have been associated in NEHU in Department of Environmental Studies as a board member, courtesy my friend Professor Devesh Walia, and I see that within 2 years he has set up a good geology department which has made a national name. I see two young colleagues, Dr. Shikhar Kumar and Dr. Meghali Barua, who have also coordinated, and my congratulations to the whole team. Now, dear students, please remember, already some broad aspects has been discussed by Professor M.S. Rao, and more details were given by Professor Devesh Walia about the theme. Nevertheless, it is not the same, but the theme will focus on invest in our planet, and which calls for businesses to shift to sustainable practices. This is the time to change everything, whether it is the corporate climate, the political climate, or the way we deal with climate change. Now is the moment for relentless courage to preserve and safeguard our health, our families, our livelihoods. We must invest in our planet, because a prosperous future means a green future. We must act, invent, and put our ideas into action. It will necessitate the participation of all of us. Everyone is accountable, including business, governments, citizens. For the sake of Earth, we have to form partnership. Time is running out to solve climate catastrophe. All of you know the seriousness of the issue. We have to choose both a successful and a sustainable future to restore nature and build a healthy planet for our children and their offspring. Earth Day 22 is for everyone, everywhere, and Earth Day is every day. In fact, I would like the younger generation, I would like to draw your attention to the UN, which Professor Devesh Walia mentioned, supports this event. They have a 2030 agenda for sustainable development, along with 17 sustainable development goals. Let me tell you, this is the well thought out global strategy for improving human and planetary well-being. If we achieve these 17 goals, human and planetary well-beings will be achieved. The Earth knowledge, system knowledge and services are required to support the sustainable development goals. These have been largely disregarded. Climate change, as well as other long-standing challenges such as resource depletion, environmental degradation, inequity, social upheavals caused by natural disasters and human conflict, you are seeing everywhere in the TV, threaten us in every society at every level. Without the active participation of Earth science community, we will never meet completely the SDG goals. Earth scientists should contribute knowledge that can sustainably increase agricultural and industrial production. Please remember, now there is another kind of big problem coming, is food inflation. It is another kind of pandemic, you can say. World over, food prices are increasing. So Earth scientists deal with soil, air, water, as Walia Sahab has mentioned, and we should contribute knowledge which can sustainably increase agriculture and industrial production. Geoscientists must help public understand and sustainably manage land, mineral, and water resources, which can create jobs and fuel economic growth. Whether it is minerals, whether it is water, whether it is soil, whether it is air, you require the geological knowledge. Geological knowledge should be used to meet human needs, and that will in turn ensure public support to go ahead. Let me tell you, you are young children, most of you who are in this platform. Very soon you will realize, or probably some of you must have realized, because you are all brilliant students who have performed very well in the quiz, that progress has no meaning when the last tree has been cut down, when the last fish is eaten, and the last stream is poisoned. If there is no air, clean air, if there is no good food, if there is no greenery, if there is no health, every progress is meaningless. The Earth Day 2022 theme is invest in our planet. My question to you is, what will you do? This is my big question to you, because today you are young children, tomorrow you will be leaders. All of you will be leaders in your field, whichever field you choose. But it doesn't matter, whatever you do, you have a great responsibility. Please understand and ensure that harmony with nature is maintained and is the key to sustainable future. It doesn't matter what field you choose in your career. What is more important is you integrate the love for nature in any action you take, whether it is business, whether it is politics, whether you do art, whether you do social science, whether you do agriculture, whether you do psychology, any field you do, you are free to do. And the new education policy gives this freedom, and you should keep the earth in focus, the nature in focus. If you lose the nature, as Walia Sahab mentioned, you don't have another planet to go as of now. And we have to protect in our interest and in the interest of our future generations. So I am sure by participating in this quiz, you have shown that you are very responsible kids. And I'm very sure that Professor Devesh Walia will do everything to encourage young kids like you. I am in fact telling this today that I am so happy. I could see with the energy and enthusiasm Professor Devesh Walia conducted the whole quiz. It was appearing as if a professional quiz master is doing. And I would request Devesh Walia Sahab that we should do something more together on a all India basis. And as Walia Sahab mentioned to me in a conversation, we should give the prize money also in the future programs, very attractive, so that children gets motivated. They can buy books or, use something for their academic interest. So with these words, I thank Devesh Walia, my friend, for all the kindness and support always he has given to me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for valedictory address and influential message. It was indeed motivating and extremely informative. And we are really grateful to you for the time and effort you took to share your thoughts with us. So now I would like to request Professor Devesh Walia, Head Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, for official declaration of results.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Meghali. Thank you, Dr. Bhaskar, for taking up. Just to add on what he said towards the last phase, that we are planning that the prize money will be 25,000 plus, so that it attracts, and it will be a national online quiz wherein participants from all ages, they will be there, so that everybody is promoted. Because whenever we organize, although whether you study any field of study, wherever you are, your mathematical aptitude, your general knowledge is one of the important pillar which will keep you standing, keep you throw the light all along the day. So that's why we are planning, so that more people can participate. Now, coming to the result, I'm very much excited to know that out of 300 participants, those who registered, around 100 plus participants, they were there all along the journey, and they have been enjoying, and they could do all the work for the betterment of their understanding as well as for this program. Our team has already cross-checked the age, the cross-check of all the various parameters and the answers given by the various participants during the program. And after confirmation, here are the results. So I would like to say, firstly, we'll start from the third position. So, dear friends, I'm very much thankful to the participants first. Second thing is, don't think that this small quiz will ascertain something big in your life, but each and every achievement in life is of importance, and we want you to go into the depth and understand the various parameters, and also feel the success and the failures at time to excel. But don't take it as failure, the term I use. This is what is it? Experience, and that's how you are supposed to build up. So with this, the third position holder is from North Eastern Hill University, Kendriya Vidyalaya, KV student. I am saying deliberately, I could have said Nehu, but he is we organize some more quizzes or some other quizzes were organized, and he is a constant performer. And this time has secured third position, and he is a class 12th student. So we wish him all the best. Mr. Nishant Sharma, you can just switch on your video if you have joined the YouTube, you have joined the Zoom link. Now the second student, Nishant, congratulations. Third time I am seeing your face. So good on the Zoom link. Second position holder is from Delhi University. She is the first year student from the Kamla Nehru College, and she is Khushi Sahu. So I am very proud to announce the second position, which is attained by Khushi Sahu. If you are there, you may just join, or you may just
Sir, she's here, but she's not accepting the promotion to panelist, so she's not able to show up.
Khushi, you may just accept so that your face also can be seen by the others also. It is a proud movement, should have been a proud movement for you. You just accept to be the panelist, then only we can show your face. Third name which I am going to say, but he is the leader of the leaderboard as well as this quiz, and he is from Assam Royal Global University, and he is a BSc student, Assam Royal Global University, RGU, which is at Guwahati, we know, and he is Hans Raj Sharma. I was thinking his name slightly bigger, so I was using G also in between, thinking that he may be a dummy participant. But welcome Hans Raj to have led from the beginning. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for leading from the beginning. We do have some very good fighters, because fighting in life is also equally important. And the first one is Pragati Pandey. If she can join, it is very good. She is also from Kamla Nehru College, Delhi University. And we have got one more from Maharani Cluster, Chester University. Maharani Chester University. He is Huda Anjum. If you are there, you may just switch on your video. And we thought, because the numbers were so close in the 5th and 6th position. 6th position is Sanovar Ayub. He is from Indira Gandhi National Open University. So Sanovar, you also can just switch on your video so that let us see those who are present. Sanovar, you can just switch on your video. So we know now, just to tell you the positions. Yeah, good. You are very well done. This is good.
I am curious to know which school you are in, Sanovar, because you are from IGNOU. That is why I am curious.
I'm doing BSc first year.
Which subject? School of
Jamia.
Jamia, okay.
All right. So good. So now, just to tell you, because I took a little longer time, the first position holder is Hans Raj Sharma from Assam Royal Global University. Second position is attained by Khushi Sahu. She is there, but she is listening, but she is not switching on the video. Third position is by Nishant Sharma. Congratulations, all position holders once again. Pragati Pandey, she has not joined. Huda Anjum has not joined. He has joined, but he is again not switched on. And Sanovar Ayub. Thank you all. Do well. Your prize money will be there. And 5th and 6th position holders, 4th, 5th and 6th position holder, you will get some special gift from Geological Society of India. So thank you all to participate.
See, I don't know if I heard clearly because network problem is there. You told IGNOU, that made me curious. Who is?
While filling up, IGNOU only is mentioned.
Okay.
Sanovar, please clear why you wrote IGNOU.
Is your parent in IGNOU? I'm curious. Is your parent in IGNOU, Sanovar?
I am in IGNOU University.
Okay, your parent is here in IGNOU?
Yeah.
Which department?
No, she is a student of IGNOU.
I'm a student.
Okay.
It is mentioned there in the form. I'll send you the details of the form.
No problem. I'm happy that they have participated. I circulated in some.
Just to tell you that Professor Bhaskar is also from IGNOU. That's why he wants to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that curiosity may be there. So very well done, all of you. So thank you. Let Dr. Meghali Barua take over.
Thank you, sir. Now I take the time to propose vote of thanks, and I indeed feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. I, on behalf of Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and Geological Society of India, Bengaluru, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to everyone who has joined us today. And I must mention our deep sense of
Meghali,
appreciation.
can I just
Yes.
interrupt?
Okay, sir.
Divesh, Dr. Godavari and Dr. Krishnamurthy from GSA are there. Please make them panelists. Dr. Godavari and Dr. Krishnamurthy.
Okay.
It is Goda Srinivasan and there is Dr. K.V. Krishnamurthy.
I'll take care.
Yeah. Please, sorry for interruption.
Yeah, it's all right. You can finish off as fast as possible, Meghali, now.
Okay, so I, on behalf of Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and Geological Society of India, Bengaluru, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to everyone who has joined us today. And I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Dr. M.S. Rao, Vice President, Geological Society of India, Bengaluru, for giving us his valuable time from his busy schedule and for being with us today. A heartfelt thank you to Professor R. Bhaskar, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi, for his presence and valedictory address today. Our profound gratitude and sincere thanks to Professor Devesh Walia, Head Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, whose dynamic leadership making this event successful. Last but not the least, I would like to express our sincere thanks to all the participants who have joined us today online quiz competition program, and I am sure that the knowledge disseminated through this program will go a long way. Now we have come to the end of the today's program. The end of his story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable program followed by national anthem. And I would like to request you all to place your right hand on your left shoulder as a sign of respect.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Krishnamurthy sir, you can unmute for a minute, and also if Godavari madam,
Yeah,
She's
madam, you can give blessings to the winners and to the other.
Yeah, Madam Godavari, madam. She has left. Oh,
Yeah, she
madam,
is there.
Say
in
a
fact,
few
I
words.
want to say, madam was the person who told in the meeting and elsewhere to contact you because you conducted a very good quiz. Thank you, madam, for connecting us again.
Yeah.
You, madam,
Unmute.
voice.
I was asked to unmute. You just press this button, whatever.
Voice. We can't hear you.
Yeah,
This-
you press. Ask.
Microphone.
Microphone. You click on the any photo and you will see bottom line. You can click on the mic. It is closed. Click on any photo, you will get the mic.
Yeah, just at the bottom. Just search.
When you put the mouse on the photo, you will get the mic. Any photo.
I'm on the bottom left of your screen. You will see.
Yeah, bottom left. You can see the mic.
Yeah.
The first will be mic, then video.
Could not.
You move the cursor on anybody's photograph, you will get that bottom line.
Hello, sir. Hello. Come, please.
Bottom line you will get.
Yeah, please come. Please sit for fraction of seconds.
I will call you. I will call you, madam. 1 minute.
Okay, got it.
Please, madam. Yeah.
Yeah, hearty congratulations to all the winners of today's quiz program. So Harshraj Sharma very continuously kept on rising to the top position. So keep it up, keep competing like this in the international level also. Nishant Sharma, then who else? Manohar Ayub.
Yeah.
Anybody else there? Then the two more names, I am not getting it.
Yeah, Thank
Thank you very much for participating in this program.
Pragati. Actually, now they have all attendees, they have already gone.
Okay, all the best.
So, yeah.
Good luck to you all. So thank you very much, Professor Devesh Walia, for being a very smart quiz master. Conducted very well. And Professor Bhaskar joined hands with you and made the program very, very bright and energetic.
No, actually, your suggestion, madam, which you made in the council and even you told me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So thank you very much. And I thank on behalf of Geological Society of India, all the participants, and kindly think of saving Mother Earth. So your present young generation is...
To the participants, I will just add, madam is conducting the National Olympiad test. Madam is one of the coordinators for conducting the test.
Kindly participate. Who are there in that age range, and higher secondary school students can participate in this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam, for participation. Krishnamurthy sir, one word, last word you can have. From the
yes, sir. At the outset, in fact, I have been educated, I should say, by the questions which Professor Devesh Walia has framed.
Actually,
Wonderful questions. Hats off to you, sir. Hats off to you. Congratulations.
Dr. Shikhar, Dr. Meghali, and the whole team.
Yeah, the whole team I congratulate.
Yeah.
And I congratulate all those participants, whether they are the winners or
Yeah.
the losers. It doesn't
Just
matter.
Click the photo also, take the snapshot.
And it was a wonderful program. It's an apt, program for the Earth Day. And you people have, Professor Bhaskar and Professor Walia have made it a great success. And you have brought good name to the Geological Society as well as name, I should say. And in future also, we look forward for such programs. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Meghali and Dr. Meghali and
Dr.
Shekhar for joining this activity. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. You can take the snapshot.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I will do.
Okay, done. Thank you, Madam Godavi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Krishnamurthy sir. Thank you, Professor.